Hey everyone, this is Asta Mewada and I'm working as a teacher with a school where I make videos on my class lessons. Often I have my students asking me how I make my videos. So here I am trying to show you just how easy it is to make a video and upload it on YouTube or anywhere else that you want to. Well, students, I use PowerPoint for making all my videos, and this I have been doing since many years. I feel it is really smooth, it gives you really smooth transitions. You can adjust your timings, add voice narrations, music, and do a lot of other things. There are many other apps, but somehow I am not very comfortable with those apps, and hence I am sticking to PowerPoint only. So, in my today's video on how I make my videos in PowerPoint, I'm going to teach you I'm assuming that you know the basics of PowerPoint. If you want to learn the basics, of course, and if you're not at all familiar with PowerPoint, I can always make videos on that too for you. Do let me know in the comments below if needed. Okay, now we are on my laptop screen and we are directly in PowerPoint. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint 2019 over here, and as you can see I have already prepared a presentation on a topic 5 best plants as per Vastu. You can see that the slides are already ready, and the pictures, the contents, everything is ready. Simple slide I have prepared, presentation, sorry. Here I have already given the music. Okay, I have inserted the music, done the settings because I wanted to play it throughout all my slides. Besides that, transition has been given. I have taken Morph, my favorite transition this is. Okay, once all this is ready, I go here and I press F5 and I check whether my settings are all right. You should always go for this so that you are sure that how your slide is going to play, how your video is going to play, you will come to know here itself. If there is some change you need to do, you can always stop, make the change and play again and check your settings. Okay, this is our last. Okay, you press enter, you're out. Okay, now what I do is, remember that before I prepared this, what I had done is I had downloaded all the pictures. I made a folder first, of course. I downloaded all the photos there, the contents, everything, so that it was easy for me to cut, paste and prepare the slides. Okay, the audio that I require, if I'm going to do some narration, that also you can record and keep ready and insert in each slide. You can explain each one of these also here. I have not done that just to save time. Okay, again you're going to insert and you can insert your audio. Okay, now once all this is done, you saw that the slides are playing fine. This is where your recording starts now. Okay, you go into slideshow, press rehearse timings. Okay, here you can play this forward the slides after a number of seconds that you require. I am pressing after 5 seconds each slide. I am going to press the next button. You can even press 3 if you want. That is totally up to you. Of course, it depends on the content also, how many seconds you are keeping. This is not having any narration, so 5 seconds I think is more than enough. Okay, and the last slide, orchids, and you have your thank you, and you press enter. Once you press enter, it will ask you, do you want to save the new slide timings? Press yes. If you are not satisfied, you can press no, go back, come back here, make the necessary changes, and again go into slideshow and rehearse your timing. Once this is done, now this is where the main part comes, that how to prepare your video from a PowerPoint. Okay, so there are two ways. The first way I'm showing you, both are giving you MP4 files. First is you go into home, press save as, go to the folder that you want. Here I'm taking this teach PPT. Okay, here it will ask me for the video name. Here I have given how to make a video. Here now next is save as type. Okay, here what you will do, you have option whether you want to keep it as PDF uh, or MP4. We want to make a video, so we go for MPEG4, that is video MP4. Press enter and you press save. Sorry, I have already made, so it asks me if I wanted to replace. Okay, and here down you can see that the video is being created. Okay, here you can start seeing that the video is being created. In case you feel you're not you remembered something that you forgot to insert or make the necessary changes, you can always cancel it. For some reason, if you want to cancel, you can press on this X here and cancel the video recording, make the changes, and again go back to slideshow rehearse timings and do your settings again. This will just take few more seconds. I mostly take my photos from Pixabay. That's the best site that I can think of. This will just take a few seconds. It's just a small presentation. The second way is also second way is also easy. I generally go for that only. We are almost done. Just a few more seconds. This should have been faster. I don't know why it's going slow. Almost done. Yes, we are done. You can see it's done here. You go to your folder and here you can check how to make a video. MP4 file is ready. You can play it and check. Play the video. Okay, I'm not playing the whole video again, but as you can see, the video has been made. This is one way. Okay, second way is you go to file and you have the export option. Go to export. You can again make a PDF file. You can go in for create a video. That is what we want to do here. Okay, so I'll press on create a video. Again, you have different options here depending on what kind of quality you want. Full HD, Ultra HD, Full HD, HD, Standard. I'm going in for Standard. Okay, and you press on create video, but before that you have this option that use recorded timings of narration or don't use recorded timings. You have that option, but I will of course use, I clicked here, use the recorded timings and narration. Press on create video, and again you can see that again it is asking you what file name you want. I'll add a 1 after how to make a video, just so that we can differentiate. Again it's showing MP4 already here. Press save, replace. I had already made a video, so it's asking me for replacing. Okay, you can see down here that the video is being created, and like I said before, if you're not happy with the settings or you have remembered something that you forgot to add or you want to make some changes, that's totally up to you. You can always press the X and cancel the recording. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, okay, done. So again you go into folder, how to make a video 1. Here you can see the same thing has been made. The same video has been prepared. Okay, again I'm not playing the whole video again here, but you can see the quality is the same. It's quite good. Okay, so these are the two ways in which you can prepare your videos. I hope now you have understood how easy it is to prepare this video. And in case, sorry, I am not an expert at teaching PowerPoint, but I have tried my best to teach you how I am making my videos. Okay, I am not going into animations. I have not gone into any kind of animations or anything of that explanation. But if you require, you can go through all my videos, and if you want, I can always try to show you how I have made that animation in those videos. Okay,